Okay, confess. When was the last time you cleaned out your cat's toy box? Here's their junk toy. Like, instead of a junk drawer, it's a cat toy drawer. And I'm trying to clean it out, straighten it out. I'm going to try using this little office supply divider tray thing. And here's their toy box. Okay, this is 2/3 of their toys. There's another 1/3 in another toy box in my bedroom. So confess, when was the last time you cleaned yours out? Catnip. And Tuesday thinks we're going to play. She wants to play right now. I mean, how many laser lights does one really need? I have 4 here and only one has working batteries in it. Oh, look what I found at the bottom of the drawer along with a bunch of catnip. I don't know if any of them work. The missing batteries for the laser lights. Voila, much better.